Hi everyone, welcome to Turkish Lessons. My name is Yasin Nurak. Today I would like to talk about the infinitive forms. In Turkish, we have only two suffixes to describe this infinitive forms with verbs. So here, as you see here, there is mak and mek. These two suffixes make the verbs more functional in infinitive forms. Let's see a few examples here first of all. Look, there is a few example in Turkish. Neden buradasın? Neden buradasın? It means why are you here? Why are you here? The answer is to speak. To speak in Turkey, in English of course. But in Turkish we say konuşmak için. Konuşmak için. As you see here, we have our base form of to speak here, konuşmak, konuşmak, and after we put here için, to describe the reason why are you here. Okay, so we all the time will use these forms to describe the infinitive forms in Turkish. So for example, neden gidiyorsun? Neden gidiyorsun? Neden gidiyorsun? Why are you going? Or you can say why are you leaving? Actually, we can say why are you going? And the answer is to buy milk. To buy milk. Süt almak için. Süt almak için. Normally, as you see here, the base form of the verb here is al. Al. That means buy. Buy. But here we use here mak. Mak. To buy. After the reason is and then we put here in Turkish için. But of course, in English, you don't need it. So just you say to buy milk. Alright, but we have to use, or you can say we must use için to describe the infinitive forms. Is that clear enough here? So I will repeat one more time. We must use the base form of the verb, which is konuş. Konuş means the imperative form here. And after, we must use mak to make a verb. So you should use to speak or to talk. Then after, we put here için, the reason why. Or you can describe this as for. Okay. So let me repeat one more time. Neden buradasın? Konuşmak için. Neden gidiyorsun? Süt almak için. Alright, let's see a few examples here. Why are you here? Example, to buy, to drink, to talk, to eat. Of course, these are incomplete words or sentences you can say. For example, to describe to see this in Turkish forms, to buy, that means satın almak için. Satın almak için. To drink, içmek için. İçmek için. To talk, konuşmak için. To eat, yemek için. As you see here, make, mak, make, mak. After we use the reason why, so için. Alright, so satın almak için, içmek için, konuşmak için, yemek için. As I said before, we must use these forms to describe the verbs, okay? This is important part here. Let's see the next examples. Why are you here? Neden buradasın? I'm here to talk to you. Seninle konuşmak için buradayım. Seninle konuşmak için buradayım. Look, konuşmak için. Alright, here, this is important. Konuşmak için. Why are you sitting there? Neden orada oturuyorsun? Neden orada oturuyorsun? So, answer here is seni görmek için. Seni görmek için. Look, make için. Alright, so look here. Mak için. Base form of the verb is konuş, and base form here is gör, which means see. Alright, so let's see a few more practical examples here to make this subject more easy to understand. So here, öğrenmek istiyorum. Of course, this is a different form. I just, make examples from English versions. So to make it easy for you to understand how we use this. Actually, more or less, I can say the use of infinitive forms is very similar to English structures. So here, öğrenmek istiyorum. Öğrenmek istiyorum. There's no için. Okay, don't forget this. Öğrenmek istiyorum. Süt almak için dükkana gidiyorum. I'm going to the store to buy milk. I'm going to the store to buy milk. Seni görmek için kafede olacağım. Seni görmek için kafede olacağım. Why will you be? To get the answer in this sentence, you should ask, why will you be in the cafeteria? Okay, the answer is here, as you see, seni görmek için. Seni görmek için. And here is a question, why are you going to the store? Süt almak için. Konuşmak için buradayım. Konuşmak için buradayım. I'm here to speak. O seni görmek için geldi. She came to see you. So, to get this answer, as I said before, you should have the word, question word, which is why, and you can use what for. Okay, so why did you come? And the answer is to see you. To see you. Okay, but of course, we should ask why did she come, because answer here is third person pronoun. Okay, singular. Geldi. Ben öğretmek için buradayım. Ben öğretmek için buradayım. I'm here to teach. Ben işimi yapmak istiyorum. I want to do my job. Here, to do means yapmak. Next sentence. What do you need to cook the meal? Yemeği pişirmek için. Yemeği pişirmek için neye ihtiyacın var? So there's another form comes out here in Turkish. So that means we also sometimes use what to get the infinitive forms. Why you do this? So, or why? What do we need to do something? So here, our question comes out like this: Yemeği pişirmek için neye ihtiyacın var? Yemeği pişirmek için neye ihtiyacın var? Polis daha fazlasını öğrenmek istedi. Polis daha fazlasını öğrenmek istedi. Look, base form of the verb is öğren, öğren. Actually, this is the comparative form, or you can say imperatives. Alright, öğren. After we use make or mak, depends on the vowels. That's why we use here mek, because this is kind of, I can say, thin vowel. That's why we use here mek. Kendini neşelendirmek için bunu al. Kendini neşelendirmek için bunu al. Take this. Take this to cheer yourself up. All right. So, we have a dialogue. We have two dialogues here as well. This kind of important topic to learn about. So that's why I just put two more dialogues for you. I need a pencil. Bir kaleme ihtiyacım var. Bir kaleme ihtiyacım var. Why do you need it? Ne için istiyorsun? Ne için istiyorsun? To write something. Bir şey yazmak için. Look, yazmak için. Yazmak için. Why is she shouting? O neden bağırıyor? O neden bağırıyor? To attract her mom's interest. Annesinin annesinin annesinin ilgisini çekmek için. Annesinin ilgisini çekmek için. Alright, these are the vocabulary here. Something, bir şey. To need, in Turkish we say ihtiyaç duymak. İhtiyaç duymak. To write, yazmak. buluşmak, pencil, kurşun, kalem, kurşun, kalem. All right, let's get to the summary part. So, neden means why. So the answer here, you can start with because, for, or, to plus verb. You all the time as you watch this lesson, we all the time used to plus verb forms because this is how infinitive works actually. Sorry. So why are you sitting here? Example, I give you a few more examples to make it better to understand. So neden burada oturuyorsun? Neden burada oturuyorsun? Answer, arkadaşımla buluşmak için. Arkadaşımla buluşmak için. Or you can say, because I want to meet with my friend. Çünkü arkadaşımla buluşmak istiyorum. Çünkü arkadaşımla buluşmak istiyorum. So here we have three different words, question words, why, to describe why. For example, neden, why. Niçin, what for, or you can say for what. Ne için, niçin, or ne için. This is kind of, I can say, dialect or accent. Okay, we have two or three different ways, but this is the normal. A normal way is neden. Neden. But sometimes we may hear this in films or on the street, niçin or neden, niçin. What for or for what, which is the same actually. So for plus you, that means senin için. For plus you, senin için. To plus verb, that means öğrenmek için. Of course, I just gave you one example here, which means learn. It can change, and here it can change as well. Alright, so this is the end of my lesson. If you have any questions about this lesson, guys, don't forget to write your comments below the lesson on YouTube. And please subscribe and like the lesson. And thank you for your time. See you next time. Bye for now.